On Draw Stuff Real Easy today, I'm going to show you how to draw a bag of sugar. So basically it's kind of a box shape, which we draw by starting out with a rectangle that's been sort of sheared like that into a parallelogram. So that's going to be the front, this is going to be the side, and that's going to be the top. But wait a minute, you say, a bag isn't a box. Sure enough it isn't. So we've got to kind of make it a bit more baggy. So it's going to be slightly curvy on the edges and things, and then we had that weird way of folding it over as well, so it's going to be a bit of a fold there. It's going to come up to about like that. That will be parallel to the edge, and then this will come down at a slight angle, and then this is going to fold in underneath, and then you're going to get another fold coming in kind of like that underneath there. So it kind of folds in underneath itself like that, and then up and round, and then that will be behind it. Right, I'm going to start off here with a little wiggle, and then up to there, and then here and come around, and you can make that just slightly curved on the top there like that, and this might actually sort of come in down there as well. And this can be slightly curved around the bottom there, and then down here, and that will be curved and curved, and then you're going to see a bit around the back there which will be curved, and I think we can make that quite curvy coming out like that as well, and then this will sort of come down there like that, and then you're going to get a sort of, it's folded over so it's not a hard line there, and then here we want to do a little line coming out from there that's going to come up to there like that, so it's kind of folding in on itself there, and I think we'll make that a little bit more obvious there like that. Now when you are sure that the ink is dried, then you can erase those pencil lines, and look, that little bit there wasn't entirely dry, was it? That's what happens if you don't make sure it's dry. Never mind. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw a spoon here, which will sort of come out like that, and we want a nice big load of sugar on the top. There's going to be some stuff written down there, and then I think we're going to want to have sugar, and we want to make this kind of cool and exciting and hey, come and buy me stuff like that. And then we're going to have, oh, maybe we'll have another teaspoon up here like that, and sugar and all this stuff, telling you how wonderful and healthy it is for you. How it's going to make you really slim and whatever, you know. So let's see what we can do with that. Of course it doesn't make you slim. I know. So let's do kind of wacky, exciting lettering to get you all excited at the thought of putting sugar. Actually, the reason that I'm doing this is that last week the last couple of weeks I've been showing you how to draw cereal packets and cereal bowls, and then the last video I did was how to draw milk and everything. So it's everything for sugar and for breakfast cereal, and of course some people do like to have sugar on their breakfast cereal, so I'm kind of adding this in as part of the breakfast cereal thing. And then I'm going to do these little stars, so you do a long one and a short one, and then cross, long, short, cross. So these kind of represent little grains of granulated sugar, sparkling, pure, all that kind of advertising stuff that they give you. And a nice big heaped teaspoon like that, and then this will come out here like that. Put some dots in there, and then there'll be something on the bottom, who it's been made by, the manufacturer or something like that. More like that, and then we want the spoon like that. It'll say sugar, and then we want some stuff on the side there telling you all about it, all the details, and then we probably also want to have a barcode like that for the checkout thing at the supermarket. And then again you can erase all those little extra under drawings, those little practice things to make sure you knew where you were going to draw it. And then let's put a line in the back there, and that will put it on the table. And then to really place it on the table, we'll put some shadow coming here like that. And then you can colour it with a little bit of colour with watercolour paints, or maybe felt tip pens, or coloured pencils, crayons, whatever you like to use best. And there you go, how to draw a bag of sugar real easy. Well, thanks for watching. Please like this video and make sure you are subscribed to the Draw Stuff Real Easy channel. You can support my videos by following me on my Patreon page. Put your drawing idea requests in the comments box below, and remember to keep drawing, drawing, drawing. Practice, 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 and I'll see you next time. You take care now. Bye bye.